Another round of drills. This set will be the first three progressions in a carousel drill or carousel set of drills. This setup is an outer carousel, meaning the players are all along the wall up to the blue line. There are several progressions as well that are inner carousels, which has all the players lined up on the offside face-up dots. But for today, we'll just focus on the first three progressions in the outer carousel. Progression one, these are all pretty simple. They're really designed for passing, pass accuracy, and skate timing. One thing to emphasize to your players, the skater drives the timing of the drill, and it's the skater's responsibility to skate a route that puts them in position to receive the pass back when they go in for a shot. If they're too early or too late, it's not the passer's fault, it's their fault. They have to be keeping an eye on the play as the puck moves around between the different passers so that they're in the right position to receive the pass. So for progression one, we'll run this from both ends we'll run it from both sides. So what happens is opposite corners go on the whistle. So in this progression, we've got player one and player four, both releasing on the whistle. They will make the pass, and this one just sort of goes around the world. So when player four releases a pass to 10, 10 releases to 2, 2 to 7, and as 4 swings all the way around the ice, they get the pass back from 7. Same thing with player 1. They'll release the pass to 7. 7 will release to 5, 5 to 10, and as 1 swings all the way around the ice, they'll pick up the puck from player 10. So let's set it in motion and see how it runs. So 1 to 7, 7 across to 5, 1 is timing his skating route, 5 come up to 10, 10 with a quick pass up to 1, and away we go into the net to shoot. When you are done shooting, you go back into your own line, and then on the whistle, the next group goes. So 10 to 5, 5 across 8, 8 holds the puck, 10 times his route, 8 to 2, 2 quick to 10, and away we go into the other end. And then every time in the whistle, it's just opposite corners driving around the circle. So that's carousel progression 1. Progression 2, we'll flip to quickly here. What we're doing here is we're going around the world again. Actually, we're going cross ice, but this introduces the long cross seam pass. So again, we'll set up exactly the same way. You don't even need to move the players around for this. You just go progression to progression to progression. Treat this as really as one drill, maybe 8 to 12 minutes, maybe as long as 15, depending on how many progressions you want to step through. So in this one, we'll release 1 and 4 again. 1 passes to 7, the pass from 7 to 4, then 4 back to 7, and then 7 looks to hit player 1 with a long cross seam pass through the neutral zone. So let's set that one running. So 1 passes to 7, 7 across to 5, 5 goes back to 7, and then 7 launches the bomb across the ice. 1 drives in for the shot. Again, on the whistle, the opposite corners go. So now we're going to have player 7 and player 10 releasing with the puck. Again, exactly the same pattern, only in reverse. Let's focus on 7. 7 passes to 2, 2 to 11, 11 back across to 2, and 2 throws a long bomb across ice for the drive into the net. So that's progression 2. Again, very simple drills. You need no break between them. You just change the passing routes, and the players can adapt accordingly. Progression 3, we'll jump right into exactly the same setup. Again, my recommendation is you treat this almost like one drill, and you let the players really pick up the flow on the fly as you're moving through the drills. So this one is just a quick touch pass all the way around the circle. So you pass to every point along the circle or around the drill, and away you go into the other end. So we'll pause here and we'll go back a second and we'll do that one again. So we'll focus again at the top of the screen. It's exactly the same route and same passing for 1 and for 4. So 1 goes a 1-2 pass with 7, picks up the puck again, drives across the ice, goes a 1-2 pass with 5, comes up, 1-2 pass with 10. These are basically give and go passes. These are really well structured to teach your players the habit of how to throw a give and go, a real quick give and go, to line them up for that during gameplay. So those are the carousel progressions, the first 3. We'll do another round of carousel progressions on the inner route in another video. Hope you enjoy this one. Hope it makes into your practice plans at some point, and have a good night.